Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm working on this antique dining table that's seen better days. It's wobbly, the joints are loose, and it's got years of wear. But instead of a full refinish, I'm focusing on repairs and a light refresh to preserve its character. If you've ever found an old piece of furniture that just needs a little TLC but weren't sure where to start, this video is for you. Let's get to work. Next up, I think might be a quick fix. We'll see. I don't think I need to strip everything. It needs a little bit of love. Everything is loose. It's just an old solid wood table that needs some help. And I am here for it. Here's a little bit of a close-up of the bottom side. We're gonna make this bottom side look beautiful. Like I said, I think they just need to be tightened. We're gonna clean everything up, reattach this leg, and then we'll turn it over and address the top. Before making any repairs or touch-ups, the very first step is always a good cleaning. Over time, furniture collects dirt, grease, and who knows what else. So giving it a thorough wipe down helps us see exactly what we're working with. I'm using a simple mix of warm water and mild dish soap. You don't want anything too harsh that could damage the original finish. If you're dealing with tougher grime, a little vinegar or a gentle wood cleaner works great too. So this leg has, I don't know if you can see it, a crack all the way down. So we're gonna have to address that too. Actually, it looks like all the legs have cracks in them. Okay, so put some glue on there, and then I always keep sawdust for these types of fixes. So just kind of fill it in. And then we'll do a little touch up later, but perfect. Okay, this side. Done. Now I've got another one on that side. Okay, we are going to try to tighten these. I thought maybe I could just twist them on, but had to take them off and tighten this nut. This little tool. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is tight. Now that the table is clean, it's time to bring back some of the original beauty, and instead of using a full strip and refinish process, I'm using Howard's Restor-A-Finish on the legs. This product is perfect for pieces like this where you want to refresh the wood without losing its aged character. This stuff is great because it blends away scratches, sun fading, and light wear while keeping the original finish intact. It seeps into the wood, reviving the color and even helping to even out some of the imperfections. You can really see that difference already. It's like the wood is drinking it. You can apply it with a cloth or even fine steel wool for deeper scratches, but always go with the grain of the wood to keep it natural looking. Let's clean it. From wobbly legs and years of wear to a strong, beautiful centerpiece once again, this antique table has officially been revived. Instead of stripping it down completely, I focused on reinforcing the structure, refreshing the wood, and keeping that vintage character intact. This project is a perfect example of how you don't always have to do a full refinish to bring a piece back to life. Sometimes a little repair work and a refresh are all you need to make something functional and beautiful again. I love how this turned out, and I hope it inspires you to look at old furniture a little differently. There's always potential in a well-made piece. Let me know in the comments if you have done anything differently or if you'd love to see more furniture refinishes like this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more furniture flips and restorations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.